This video teaches you how to create copies of slides in PowerPoint. Open your PowerPoint presentation. Select the slides you want to duplicate. The list of slides appears in the left panel. If you want to duplicate multiple slides at once, hold down the Control key on your keyboard as you click each slide on a PC. Right-click the selected slide. A menu will expand. Click Duplicate Slide on the menu. The duplicated slide will appear right after the original slide. You can drag it up or down the slide column to change its order in the presentation. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.